What up, team? What up, squad? Listen, I wanted to make this video real quick instead of setting up appointments with each and every one of y'all. That would take too much time. And also, that would also take too much of our money too, because I know some of y'all have premium. So I want to make this video real quick and show you what to do exactly. What is the objective? What is the goal right now on Grandland? So right now, the goal is to cut down these trees. So I've been cutting down these trees with 3 of my workers. The more workers that I have, the more workers that we all have working on this, the faster we can get this objective done. Okay, we are down to 3,944 kilogram of wood that's left to be cut. Now I'm going to show you how to equip your workers and how to send them to go cut some trees. And of course, you're going to get paid to cut trees because look, I'm paying 1 piece of gold per minute. Okay. So all you got to do is you go to your character and you see this character is already equipped. It's easy. All you got to do is go to your backpack. If you don't already have the tools, if you don't have the tools, let me know. I can send the tools. I can drop the tools in your backpack. But make sure first and foremost, when you start the game, you're going to be at the center of the map. You're going to be right here. Okay. Let me just go back. Okay, so when you start the game, you're going to start at the center of the map when you just log in. So the first thing to do is go to where I am, go to my land, go to our land, should I say, because I'm building a workshop for us to make money. Okay, so you click on the search and click on -20/45. This is my land. This is the land where we're working on, the north. So you click on that. It takes you straight there. Once you're there, you want to go over to the worker and click that little running icon to send them here. Once you send them here, click on your character, go to backpack, and grab the tools. So I'm going to show you real quick. What I'm doing right now is I'm putting the tools back into his backpack. So when I do that, he's not able to use those tools. If the tools are equipped into his backpack, I mean, if he's not equipped with the tools, he's not using it. That means that he's not holding it. So when you buy the tools in the market, you know, or if you just buy it here on my land, it will be in your backpack. Now to equip the character, you go to the backpack, you click on the saw, and click take. Okay. You click on the axe, click take. Then once you do that, you close it. Then you send him to work. He's ready to work. And you put in the max hours, max time. I have the premium, of course, so I put 420, confirm. Okay, he's working. He's not equipped. This guy is not equipped. This man is already equipped. So I'm going to send him to work. 420 minutes. Perform. Click on perform. You get paid automatically. Once you click perform, you get paid automatically. Okay. Now for this gentleman right here, for this worker, he's not equipped. Okay. Both of these tools, they are used. As you can see, there's no minutes on there. So all I got to do is throw them away. Click on that, throw it away. It's useless. I can't use it anymore. That's why it's red. Click on that, throw it away. And I'm going to go to my storage. And I'm going to send 1 axe to him. I click on the axe. I click move. Send it. He also needs a saw. I click on that and I send it. Oops. I didn't mean to send all 3. So I'm going to click on that, move it back to the storage, 2. Okay, now he has 1 axe, 1 saw. All right, that's it. This is exactly what I'm doing. When you come to my land, I'll give you the tools to work on the land. So there you go. He's equipped. He's not equipped yet, but those 2 tools, they are in his backpack. So all I got to do is click on the axe, take it. Now he's holding the axe. Now I click on the saw, do the same thing, take it. All right, now he's fully equipped. He's fully ready to work. He got both of the tools in his hand. All right, now I click on the job post, perform. Now he's ready to work. I can go ahead and send him to perform the task. And how many minutes? 420 minutes. That's the max. When you have premium, you can work for 420 minutes. When you are on the free account version, you only work 60 minutes. All right, perform. Boom, he's working. All three of my workers are working. That's it, y'all. So if you have any question, shoot me a message on Discord or shoot me a message on Telegram or just text me if you got my number. And let's work.